Okay, this is video 18. I think what I want to do, we're working on the script or the ship controls. I think what I should do is separate these things out. So let's see, let's go to object, oops, game, game control, wait, controls. Step, ship controls, checks, ship controls. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Should I add scripts in here, or just go ahead and call it from the ship controls? Might be easier just to, well, for now I'm going to call it from the ship controls. So I'll be creating scripts that this ship control is going to do. Okay? So let's create a script, and we'll call it script cr underscore move left. Okay, there's our move left, because we're going to have other controls. So you can use like A and D for left and right, and also for a game controller. So it'll start chunking up pretty good. Okay, so there's our left move, and we'll grab that script and we'll put it up in here. Okay, so that'll check that code. Let's duplicate it and call it move right. And we can wipe all this stuff out. Move right. Here's our move right code. Shoot that out of there. That in here. And this might not work right. I'm not sure yet. So there's that. There's move right. And let's just go ahead and call this one. Oh yeah. Let's add it to call it. Move right, and let's create another one. Create script scr underscore thrust, which should take the rest of it. I'll just grab it all and just delete those calls to those functions. There we go. So I think this should work. And let's yank this stuff out. Copy, paste. Oops. Thrust. Did I get that right? Nope. Thrust. And yank that variable out. Damn it. Let's see if this works. Yeah, it still seems to work. The only problem is if you have left and right both down, well, I guess you wouldn't use it that way anyways. Okay. I'm gonna call that good. Okay. Now we need a fire maybe we should do this differently. Ship thrust. It's a little more descriptive. Ship thrust. Ship move right. Ship move left. Okay. Now let's add an, well, we gotta fix that, don't we? Check ship controls. We're gonna add the ship. And ship thrust. Okay. Now let's add one more called script ship fire. And we'll have to add that to the ship controls. Ship fire. Okay. And this one, we're going to have to create a variable in here. Actually, maybe we won't at this point. We're going to say oops, fire if keyboard check released. We'll make it virtual key space. So the space bar. And we'll call to another script called, do we really need to though? Hold on. No, we're not. Let's just create them here. This is good. I didn't do it like this before. So we'll say I'm going to put the bullets in an array. So I'm going to say bullet one. Is that how I want to do it? Bullet 1 equals instance. We haven't created the bullet actually, but instance create x y object bullet, which we got to create that object. So did we add that sprite? No. So create sprite, load sprite, images, bullet. And my bullet is basically just, if you look at the editor, I think it's 4x4. So it's a stupid little image. Sprite bullet, and we do want to center that one, and then it's going to have to be an object because we're going to have it collide with things. Create object, choose bullet, object, bullet. Okay, and it's going to use physics, and it's going to use the box. Let's get in there. Okay, that's alright, good. Call that good. Let's see if this worked. Yep. So, check released, object ship image bullet. Okay. So it's going to create the bullet. Hopefully. Now, we got to look at the object bullet. We're going to let the controls be in the bullet. So create control code if sound on. Oh, wait, that's global. Once again, we didn't need it to be global, but I'm just doing in. Most of my variables are going to be global in this tutorial. My next one, I'll probably explain it a little bit better and make more local things. Script sound. Sound. It's not in there yet, but it's going to be sound fire. And it's not going to repeat, so false. Let's add the sound. Where's my sounds? Come on, I don't see my sounds. Am I blind right now? Am I looking at the wrong thing? Images. Okay, I was in the wrong folder. Okay, here we go. Actually, didn't I have another folder for this? I'm an idiot. Okay, audio. I was looking for a sound file. Never mind. Okay, so we're looking for sound fire. There it is. Compressed, not streamed. Okay. Okay. Let's give that a try and see what happens. Oh, you still have a problem here. Actually, let's not make it an array just yet. That'll be for adding bullets. So let's just instance create object bullet. Which should work. I think. Hopefully. Okay, so bam. Nope. Oh, it's the sound problem that we're having here. Okay, maybe we should keep that for now. Okay. Okay, I'm an idiot. We didn't name it. Sound fire. So that's your fire button. So that should light back up. Okay, so all it's going to do right now is make the sound of firing. Okay, that works. Okay, good. Excelente. Okay, so now we got to tell the bullet to be at the X and Y of the object ship. So X equals, actually we could do it like this. With object ship. Actually that won't work. Let's do this. Let's just do what I was going to do. X equals object ship. Y equals object ship. So it's taking on the X and Y of the ship when you fire it. Speed equals 10. And you can put any speed you want in there. And then I'm going to put an alarm in there. Alarm 0 equals 50. Which, at this point, we could still run it, I believe. And it should shoot it out. I don't know, maybe the angle's not right. I wonder if I should check that. Nothing yet. Okay. It should have an angle to it, I would think. Oh, I'm doing stupid shit again. Okay, so X equals object ship dot X. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. And dot Y. Okay, so that should shoot the bullet. Let's see. Well, it's not right. See, that's why I think it needs to have the angle. Why does it not have the angle? Okay, let's see. In the, where'd it go? Ship fire. It's the VK space. Okay. Instant create bullet. Direction. Oh, width. Yeah, that's why I did it, because I have to communicate with how many bullets we have, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense right now, but with bullet 1, that's the variable we used. That's why I turned it into an array, so I can write it out faster. Direction equals object ship dot image angle plus 90, because we had to turn the ship. The ship is turned at 90 degrees because I had to turn it around, just screwing around with the sprite. So let's give that a try. See what happens. Oh. Having a crappy day here. Direction equals that's a problem. Okay, let's give that a try. Hey, it's working. It's firing. In your face. Blow you up. And since it's a release, you don't have to set a timer for it. But I haven't added the destruction of these bullets, so they're going on forever. There's a bunch of these bullets. They're still moving right now. They're just going out there into the universe. So let's. So if we get back into the bullet, we need to add that alarm. That's why I have the alarm 0. So when you created it, the alarm, it lasts for 50, just under, I don't even know what the hell this timing system is, but let's add the control code, and we will say instance destroy, because you don't want it running forever. You get enough bullets going on there, it'll bog down your game to nothing. Let's go ahead and destroy self. So at that point, it should not start accumulating all those bullets. And it only lasts so long, so you can see it only goes so far out. I mean, you can make it longer, you can make it so it goes forever, really, if you wanted to, but like I said, you don't want it to accumulate. Okay, my time's running out here, so we will finish it up because we want it to do like the rock and the ship, go back on the screen. We want the bullets to come from the other side too. So, alright, I'm going to let this one go. If you like these tutorials, subscribe, and I will see you again. Okay, bye.